When the rain falls down, you're my sunny sky. In the darkest night, you're my firefly. When the world gets rough, you're my gentle breeze. When I'm lost at sea, you bring me to ease. With a wagging tail, you're always glad. Even in the storm, you're never sad. Through every tear, you've stood by my side. In your loyal eyes, I can always confide. You've been my rock through the thick and thin. In your love and warmth, I always win. Oh, my heart is safe when you're around. You're my hero without a sound. When the days are long, you're my sweet retreat.